Hey guys, I'm going to be putting the jdjeting kit on in my Lexx exhaust in this video. I'm a little congested and stuff though, but see, I got my jdjeting kit. I got an air filter for it, whole exhaust. I got a spark plug because I fouled my spark plug last time I ran this thing, and the exhaust. So we're gonna work on taking off this this big gun. It shouldn't take me a second. Which this big gun I did just pack, so if anybody's interested in it, I might be selling it. So it's a little too loud for my liking. That's the only reason why I don't like it. That air filter is a cheap Chinese air filter. I don't want to keep running it. So I'm also not going to be running this carburetor because this carburetor is a Japanese carburetor. So over here on my big old shelf of parts in a box somewhere, I've got a actual Mikuni carburetor. It's kind of old, it needs rebuilt, and that's why right here in my jdjeting kit I have a carburetor rebuild kit. I could run my Chinese carburetor, but I am pretty sure it's got block off plates in it, so like a block off plate for the adjuster. So we'll see, because in 2003 they didn't have it, so I'm hoping that my stock carburetor doesn't have it, unless they swap it out. But it is a Mikuni, so unless it's a knockoff. But this one doesn't say anything on it, my Chinese one. The other one says Mikuni on it, so we'll see. I guess I'm gonna get into taking this exhaust off then. I can't guarantee you this is the same, but mine's let's see, it's a 13 millimeter. Take this exhaust bolt off right here. Lay it over here. I'm gonna go get me a rag here in a minute whenever we go to rebuild that carburetor. Also gonna need a 10 millimeter. So it looks like a 10 millimeter to get that bolt down there off. Sorry guys, I know that this garage is a little messy right now. I ain't had time to clean or nothing. I've just been working on this thing. I gotta get some stuff fixed. But alright, there's that bolt loose. This thing should slide out. There's your big gun. I know I don't have a stock exhaust to compare it to, but I've never actually had an LTZ with a stock exhaust, so I'm not even sure. Well, I say LTZ, but it is a Kfx, same difference. Let's move this stuff real quick. All the LTZs I had either had that, well, technically it was stock. It was a Yokoshima, or it had a FMF on it. So I don't think I'm gonna need this, because I don't think that is what my stock header is. I don't think that is my. There's a silencer, or muffler, whatever you want to call it. So let's see if I can get this one-handed. Nope. Alright, there's the silencer. I'm hoping this thing's gonna be quieter, because the more I run that big gun, I'm gonna get the cops called on me. Here's a mid pop, which this is one thing that did make me kind of confused. That is a stock. So you'll need this to slide into there, and that goes down on the. But see, the only thing that's confusing me with this is, am I missing a bracket on my frame rail? Because you have this part right here. My big gun doesn't have that. I don't know. I could be wrong. Let's see. Where's our frames? Put y'all down for a bit. Here's the hardware for the upper part of it. It's kind of frustrating to put on, so I think I'm gonna set y'all down because you gotta put that spacer in and run it down, and I was having some trouble doing that. Now that's right. There you go. Heck yeah. Look at that. That's pretty good. Alright. So now I'm gonna go find that carburetor and get something to lay down on the table. And I'm gonna rebuild that carburetor. Alright. Here's our Mikuni carburetor. I think it's a Mikuni. Thought it said Mikuni on it. Yep, right there. And I think I'm gonna take some parts off of the new one and put on it. Because, see right here? Someone's JB welded the float bowl at one point. And I've got a float bowl, you know. So it's also missing some stuff. Here's our other carburetor, the Chinese carburetor. Dun dun dun. Alright, carburetor's on it, and the exhaust is on it. Now I need to oil the air filter right here, and I need to go to town and get some fuel line. Get my fuel lines leaking. A 1/4 inch. Yeah. So yeah. We're we got a new spark plug in too, so we'll get this set up. We lost spark. So I'm pulling everything apart, trying to figure that out. I think it's something with a wiring harness. So I won't be able to finish this video completely. But I guess y'all got a little bit of a startup. Just sucks. Because it's been doing this for the last 3 days or so to me. So yeah. To some B-roll of the Renegade, you know.